From outboard motors to mega-ship turbines, someone has to build the engines that rule the waves. Let's see who they are. When it comes to marine engineering, the silent giants are the companies that literally keep the world afloat. Whether it's classic names like Rolls-Royce, Caterpillar, or MAN Diesel, or global innovators like Wärtsilä and Yanmar, these companies provide the muscle behind everything from fishing boats to supertankers. Think about it. Every cargo ship, luxury yacht, and even military vessel needs a reliable heart, the engine. And behind every engine, there's decades of engineering, innovation, and a little bit of national pride. Some, like Japan's Yamaha and Sweden's Volvo Penta, are legends in outboard motors. Others, like Germany's MTU Friedrichshafen or China's Weichai, lead with cutting-edge diesel tech. So next time you see a ship power through the waves, remember, it's these marine engine manufacturers making it all possible. Want to know more? Dive into the full list on Wikipedia and discover the names shaping the future of marine power.